Have you ever wanted to say something, but never did? This is the story of Emma, a girl who kept one letter in her drawer for years. A letter she never sent. Emma was quiet. She lived in a small town where every day felt the same. She worked in a small bookstore and liked the smell of old paper. One day, she met Daniel, a kind man who came every week to buy poetry. They talked about books, coffee, and dreams. They never said much, but their eyes said everything. One evening, Daniel told her, "I'm moving to another city tomorrow." Emma smiled, but her heart broke inside. That night, she wrote a letter. "Dear Daniel, I never said it, but you made my days brighter. If life gives me another chance, I would tell you how I feel." She folded the paper and placed it in an envelope. But she never sent it. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into years. Emma still worked in the same bookstore. The letter stayed in her drawer, next to the books Daniel once touched. One morning, a young woman came to the shop. She smiled and said, "My father used to come here a long time ago. His name was Daniel." The girl handed her a small note. It said, "I found this in my father's things. He never stopped talking about a girl who sold him books. I think it belongs to you." Inside was a letter. Her own letter unopened, but returned. Emma smiled, with tears in her eyes. She whispered, "Maybe it's never too late to be honest." Sometimes we keep words inside, thinking silence will protect us. But silence also hides love. If you have something to say, say it today. Because tomorrow might be too late. Thank you for watching this story. If you have something to say, say it today. Tomorrow might be too late. Follow the Sunny English Stories for more calm and meaningful tales. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next story.